I'm gonna explain what I do right now, and I'll tell you why I love it and why I'm working these two jobs. It's not the jobs per se, but what those two jobs allow me to do. So first, being in this fit, I just got off. Working 8 hours. I was doing working at this casino. Right, it's by my crib, and essentially it's player rewards. So you know the gamblers, the addicts, the fiends, the ones who go to the casino every day, blow their paycheck. I'm pretty much helping those fiends and rewarding them with some points, rewarding them with, say they spend X amount of money, they'll get a $10 Visa gift card, $20 gift card, or they'll get a little vacation somewhere. After they spent like 100K, they'll get a vacation. Like shit like that. So I'm helping with that. That's why I'm dressed like this. I literally just got off and just made me think of this idea. So that's the first job, right? So I'm dealing with these customers, these clients, these addicts, right? That are coming in every single day. So we're doing that. And I'm also doing pizza delivery. So driving around this pizzeria, delivering pizza, delivering food. So those two jobs, you might be thinking like, yo, this boy got to be crazy because them jobs don't pay nothing. They don't. But the thing with those two jobs and why I love it right now and why I'm excited for what's to come is what those two jobs allow me to do. So I'm not making shit, to be honest. I'm making minimum wage at the pizzeria, like $15 an hour plus tips. And then I'm also making 20, around 25. No, it's like 27 an hour at the casino. So that's not great at all. Meanwhile, if you know, I was making like 100K before. I was working in wealth management. I was working with financial advisors. I was their assistant. Clocking in 8 o'clock, leaving at 5. So I was making 100K, took now going to 27 an hour and then 15 an hour. So I'm working 7 days a week, pizzeria 2 days a week, 5 days a week at the casino, 40 hours at the casino and 12 hours at the pizzeria. So like 52. So that's a big drop income wise on what I was making before. But the reason is those two jobs. So what I'd like to do on the side, what I want to do be my main gig is I enjoy trading. I am a consistent trader and I trade options. I trade stocks primarily, options here and there. But the thing with those two jobs is they're in the afternoons. I don't start working. I mean, the casino can be in the morning, like 10 o'clock. For those of you that know, stock market opens at 9:30. For those of you that trade, all you need is you don't need that long to be a trader. You don't need that long if you are a trader. All you need is like an hour max, if that. I don't even need that because I pretty much scalp, I guess you could call it, if you know what that is. If not, you can look it up. I'm in for a couple minutes and then I'm out. I'll close my trades. I'm good. So I could be done at 9:40. Market opens 9:30. I could be out of there 9:40. But the thing why I left the 100K job in the first place is I fucking hated it. I wanted to pursue a career in trading. I wanted to pursue that route. But working at that 9 to 5, where I was making 100K, where I was in the office every day, didn't allow me the opportunity to trade. Now I'm working from, say, 10 to 5 or whatever. I trade for 20 minutes. I literally, yesterday, it's not crazy. I gained I guess it's a good return. 3%. I made 3% yesterday while I was in my car. And I was literally in the parking lot to the casino. And I made 3%. That is a great day. If you can make 3% gains on whatever you're trading. People will take 3% any day of the week. So I'm literally have my laptop, have Webull open, and I'm like, all right, bet. Do what I gotta do. Instantly, as soon as I closed the trade, I booked it inside because I was running a little bit, not late, but later than I wanted to. The trade took a little bit longer than I wanted to. And I booked it inside, made my bread, and then I clocked in, did what I had to do. The pizzeria, I'm only there from 4 to 10. So that's besides the point. The reason I'm bringing this up, for those of you that trade, those of you that don't, doesn't matter. The reason I bring this up is it doesn't matter if you're making 100K, 200K, 500K. If you're in a job or in your career, you're in a career path that you hate. For me, I love trading. That's why I chose to go the finance route. But I didn't really go down the path I wanted to, and I was in wealth management. It was something completely different, working with just doing paperwork all day. I fucking hated that, even though it paid like 100K. All right. So I'd rather get paid less money, which I'm doing right now, to do the thing I actually want to do, which is trading in the mornings. So I needed jobs that allowed me to have the mornings to myself, where I could make my money online, where I could do what I got to do. And that's going to be my full-time gig. Whenever I do, I'm going to continue to scale up, scale up, scale up. Use larger amounts of money. 3% is going to be a lot more money in the future once I do scale up with the capital that I want. I just need the mornings. Essentially, I need the mornings. So I don't want to get into the weeds too much about the trading aspect of things, but essentially, the moral of just me making this right now is just to say, if you get paid less doing something that you actually enjoy, then go ahead and go do it. Like, you can get paid all the money in the world. If you despise your job, then don't do it. Like, literally, as simple as that. We're here on this planet once. I'm gonna make my dream come true. I am a consistent trader. I just don't have the capital to really live off that money, right? It's enough money to like buy like extracurriculars, but it's not enough where I can make it a career as of yet. So we're gonna continue to scale up. I have 2 jobs right now, and this is probably the most like time I've spent working. But the thing with those 2 jobs is I'm no longer stuck in that office. I have the freedom to do what I want to do. I feel like having freedom in this life is what we're here for. We're not here to be stuck in a cube all day. We're not here to be, you know what I'm saying? We're not here to be miserable all day. So I'm doing what I need to do so I can have what I want. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to be at the casino my whole life. I'm not going to be at the pizzeria my fucking whole life. I'll be there for a couple months. And I'm out of there. And then we got to be making a living off this shit. I don't know. I may get a remote job just so I can have some stable income. But we got to make it happen. You heard it here first. We got to make it happen. The consistency there is just I don't have the capital to really make a living off this yet. So stay tuned. I'll keep you updated. Peace.